The truth is, not a lot of side hustles would let you work from home, allow you create your own schedule, and pay you over $5,000 a month, but YouTube will. So if you've been searching for the best side hustle ideas to make money online and to make money from home, then this video is definitely for you. In today's video, I'm gonna be spilling the tea on all things YouTube monetization. I mean, you see these YouTubers who are buying expensive Birkin bags and flying to so many countries, and you're wondering, oh, where is this money coming from? Like, girl, is there even money on this YouTube thing? Like, should I consider doing it? The answer is yes. YouTubers make money. Some definitely more than others. But today, I'm demystifying all of that. Because the truth is, we can all win. The sky is big enough for all of us. So if this is the kind of content that you enjoy and you're ready to pick up these gems, then please go ahead and hit the like button. You might think it's meaningless, but actually it supports the channel and it motivates me to keep bringing valuable content to you. Hi and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hello. I'm Vanessa, and on this channel we talk all things earning more and building wealth. And today we have a really good one. We're gonna be talking all things YouTube monetization. Even if you have a YouTube channel and you're already monetized, I still advise you to watch this video all the way to the very end, because in this video, we're gonna cover the fact that some YouTubers earn a lot more than others, and there's actually a reason why. I'm also gonna explain YouTube's business model so that you can understand the logic behind the paychecks. And lastly, we're gonna talk about what you need to do to start securing the bag. So you already know this one is gonna be so good. Number one, the YouTube business model. There are three parties involved in YouTube's business model. Number one, we have YouTube's products. Number two, we have YouTube's clients. And number three, we have YouTube's partners. And let me break that down to you really quickly so we can get to the good stuff. Girl, if you're watching this video for free right now, then I hate to break it to you, but you're YouTube's product. So basically, because you and I spend so much time on this platform binging videos that we enjoy, YouTube is able to go to its clients to tell them that, hey, so many people have their eyes on this platform. They love our platform so much that if you put your ad on the platform, they would click on the ads and they will purchase your product. So you have to pay us to be able to put ads on our platform. And the client says, oh, okay, I don't mind paying money. And YouTube then goes to the third party in this equation, which is me or any creator on the platform. We are YouTube partners. Now, what YouTube does is that they put ads on our videos and they tell us creators that we will take a percentage of the money that the clients pay, and you, the creator, can take the rest. But not all YouTubers get to be partners. So let's talk about the YouTube partner program. Now, remember, we just talked about the business model where YouTube pays its partners. So just like any healthy partnership would work, both parties get a decent percentage of the pie. The amount of money that YouTube collects from its clients is called cost per mil. So for every 1,000 views an ad gets on your video, YouTube charges an amount of money. And notice I said views, not subscribers. YouTube doesn't pay creators based on subscriber count. YouTube pays creators based on views. But that doesn't mean subscriber count is not important though. I'm gonna make another video explaining to you the benefit of having a lot of subscribers. So if you don't want to miss that video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell as well so you get notified when I make that one. So YouTube takes 45% of the CPM and gives creators 55% of the CPM, which I think is fair. But don't get it twisted, y'all. Not all YouTube channels are made equal. A YouTube channel can have a CPM as high as $50 and another YouTube channel can have a CPM as low as $1. Think about it. If your CPM is $50, that means about $27.5 would actually go to you, the creator. And if your channel earns $27.5 for every 1,000 views, that means if your video gets 100,000 views, you as a creator make about $2,750. But listen, if your CPM is just $1, that means what goes to you as the creator is 55 cents per 1,000 views. So if your video gets 100,000 views, you're gonna make $55. And there's actually a reason why, but so many people just don't know. And I'm not sure how many people on this channel care about starting a YouTube channel, but if you do care about starting a YouTube channel and you want that information, I'm gonna make a whole video about how to create a high CPM paying channel, but it's gonna be in the membership. I mean, these things are not secrets, but a lot of people just don't know. And I took so much time to do all this research, mostly to build my own channel, but I just thought, what's the point of knowing all these things and not sharing it? So I'm gonna be spilling literally all the tea in the membership. So if you haven't joined the waitlist yet, the link will be down in the description box. Now let's talk about how you can secure this YouTube bag. To become eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program, you have to meet 3 eligibility requirements. 1, you must not have any copyright issues on your channel. When you make videos on your channel and you put background music on your videos and the music is copyrighted, so if it's by a popular musician like Burna Boy, honey, it's gonna get flagged. So just talk to your people the way I'm talking to you right now. You can put music in the beginning or at the end, but make sure that it's copyright-free music. The second requirement is to have 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Now, I know this one can be a little bit challenging, so if you want me to make a video for free on the channel about how to grow your YouTube channel and get YouTube subscribers quickly, then let me know in the description box. I'll be more than happy to make another video about that. And the third requirement is to reach 4,000 watch hours within the span of a year. I know, girl, that could be a challenge, but don't be discouraged at all. All it takes is one video to pop off on your channel and you could reach 4,000 watch hours. When you're in the beginning and your channel is still super small, it can feel like you're never gonna reach that mark. I remember almost feeling that way about this channel a few months ago. I posted my very first video on this channel in June and it got only 3 views. But look, a few months after, you found the channel. So don't give up even when you're really small. Keep pushing. I'm gonna keep supporting you. I'm gonna keep making content and creating products and services that would serve you and help you reach your goals. So don't give up on yourself. I'm not gonna give up on you. God's not gonna give up on you. You have got this and you're gonna do great things. It really doesn't matter how small you feel right now, how confused you feel right now. Clarity actually comes from getting things done. And I always tell people in my coaching program that done is better than perfect. Your first couple of videos are gonna make you cringe because you'll be comparing yourself to other YouTubers who've made 50 videos, 100 videos. I mean, their first few videos were not great as well. So don't beat yourself up. Don't let the negative voices pull you down. Keep pushing, keep going, and I know you would do amazing things. I'm rooting for you, so please keep rooting for yourself. So until next time, please take care.